NCERT exemplar 2 ecosystem. Decomposers like fungi and bacteria are autotrophs, heterotrophs, saprotrophs, chemo-autotrophs. Autotroph, heterotroph, saprotrophs and chemo-autotrophs. So, decomposers are heterotrophs and saprotrophs. So, answer is 2 and 3. 2 and 3. They are heterotrophs and they are saprotrophs. The process of mineralization by microorganism helps in the release of mineralization results inorganic nutrients from humus, both organic and inorganic nutrients from detritus, organic nutrients from humus, inorganic nutrients from detritus and formation of humus. Mineralization results inorganic nutrients from humus. Productivity is the rate of production of biomass expressed in terms of kilocalories per meter cube per year, grams per year, grams minus G minus 1 year per year, kilocalories square meter per year. So, it is given in NCERT, grams per year, kilocalories per square meter per year, 2 and 4. An inverted pyramid of biomass can be found in which ecosystem? Inverted pyramid of biomass, forest, marine, grassland and tundra. Inverted pyramid of biomass is there in marine ecosystem. Which of the following is not a producer? Spirogyra, agaricus, valvax, nostoc. They are not a producer. Which of the following is not a producer? Agaricus is not a producer. Which of the following ecosystem is most productive in terms of net primary production? Most productive in terms of net primary production. Desert, tropical rainforest, ocean, estuaries. So, tropical rainforests are said to be most productive in terms of net primary production. Pyramid of numbers is always upright, always inverted, either upright or inverted, neither upright nor inverted, either upright or inverted. Approximately how much of the solar energy that falls on the leaves of a plant is converted into chemical energy by photosynthesis? Less than 1%, 2 to 10%, 30%, 50%. According to NCERT, it's 2 to 10%. Among the following, where do you think the process of decomposition would be the fastest? Tropical rainforest, Antarctic, dry and arid region, alpine region. Tropical rainforest. How much of the net primary productivity of the terrestrial ecosystem is eaten and digested by herbivore? 1%, 10%, 40%, 90%. According to Lindman tropic efficiency rule, it's about 10%. During the process of ecological succession, the changes that takes place in communities are, now the ecological succession is no more in the syllabus, just a formality. It's given options orderly and sequential, random, very quick, not influenced by the physical environment. Orderly and sequential is the answer, but we don't have this in NCERT now. Climax community is also the same, not included in syllabus. Not included, now it is removed. Just we show the answer. Equilibrium is the answer. Among the following biogeochemical cycle, now even biogeochemical cycles are removed from the NCERT. Phosphorus, nitrogen, sulfur, all of the above is given. Sequence of communities of primary succession in water, ecological succession again, ecological succession, we don't have this in syllabus, not included in NEET 2026. So answer is phytoplankton, rooted submerged hydrophyte, floating hydrophyte, reed swamp, sedges, meadow, and finally climax tree. Reservoir for the gaseous types of biogeochemical cycle, again not included, not there. Stratosphere, atmosphere, in the ionosphere, lithosphere, atmosphere is the answer. If the carbon atoms are fixed by producers, already have passed through 3 species, the trophic level of last species would be scavenger, tertiary producer, producer cannot be tertiary consumer and secondary consumer. Answer is tertiary consumer. Which of the following type of ecosystem is expected in an area where evaporation exceeds precipitation and mean annual rainfall is below 100 millimeter? Grassland, shrubby forest, desert, mangrove. The answer is desert. The zone at the edge of a lake or ocean which is alternatively exposed to air and immersed in water is littoral zone, we can say. Pelagic, benthic, lentic and littoral is given here. This is the littoral zone. That the shore region, we can say littoral zone. Littoral zone is the answer. Edaphic factors refers to water, soil, relative humidity, altitude. The answer is soil. Which of the following is an ecosystem service provided by natural ecosystem? Cycling of nutrients, prevention of soil erosion, pollutant absorption and reduction of the threat of global warming, all of the above. All of the above. This is all about ecosystem. We don't have ecological succession and the may globalist that values like whatever we are saying in the 28th question, not included there, but little related to ecosystem, that's why we just made them. And the remaining, what do you say, ecological succession, biogeochemical cycles are not included in the syllabus. Thank you.